In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a question in Tidio, a versatile tool that can help you enhance customer interaction on your website. Let's dive right in with a step-by-step guide that will make this process a breeze for you. First things first, you'll need to log into your Tidio dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand side navigation pane. You'll see an option labeled Flows. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new section where all the magic happens. Here, you're faced with a choice. You can either create a flow from scratch, which gives you a blank slate to work with, or you can choose from a variety of templates that are available for modification. Depending on your comfort level and the complexity you need, pick the option that suits you best. Starting from scratch offers a great opportunity for tailoring a flow specifically to your needs, while a template might speed things up if you're looking for something more straightforward. Now, to start building your flow, you'll need to set a trigger. This is essentially the action that will activate the flow. Some common triggers include a visitor's first visit to your site, when they open a specific page, or if they click on the chat icon. Choose the trigger most relevant to the situation where you want your question to appear. It's a critical step as it determines how the flow will interact with your visitors, setting the stage for a seamless engagement experience. With the trigger in place, let's move on to adding the question itself. In the Flow Editor, you'll notice a menu on the right side containing various actions and conditions you can incorporate. From this menu, find the Ask a Question action. Click on it, then drag and drop it onto the canvas or grid area where you're building your flow. This part is pretty intuitive and needn't be daunting if you're not overly familiar with drag-and-drop interfaces. Now comes the fun part, configuring your question. Click into the question node you've just placed and start writing the exact question you intend to ask. It could be something as simple as, "What's your email?" The key here is clarity. You want to phrase your question in a way that encourages engagement and leaves no room for misinterpretation. If you require the input to be in a specific format, say an email address or phone number, you can set up validation to ensure that the data provided meets these criteria. It helps in maintaining the integrity of the data you collect, ensuring it's actionable and accurate. Optionally, think about what happens with both valid and invalid responses. You could program follow-up actions, like sending a thank you message for providing their email, or responses that guide them to try again if the format is incorrect. Once you have built out your flow with all necessary connections and conditions, it's time to bring it all to life. Switch from editing mode and activate the flow to ensure that it runs seamlessly on your website. With these steps, you've successfully added a question to your Tidio chat flow, enhancing the user interaction in a meaningful way.